Hi gang! Well, I just finished my workout with Mac, which was amazing as it always is. And I have to say, I really like today's challenge. My first reaction was to go, oh, I can't sing. And then when I read that you can sing in your language, all these songs came back from my childhood. So I thought I'll do a couple of songs that I learned when I was a kid. So the first one is in French. It's called Frère Jacques, and I think absolutely everyone probably knows that song. So it's about going to sleep, waking up, and ding dong, and that's pretty much it. The second one is in Romanian, which is about spring coming and running around on the fields collecting flowers. The third one is in Hungarian, so Zsuzsana would like this, and it's about a little cow that lost its ears and tails, and I want to go and to a house where they can get milk, so I don't know. And the last one, I guess you all will know the last one because you are all twinkling in the sky in this world. So I hope you enjoy it and have an awesome day. Bye! Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong. Vine primăvara, se aștepte toată țara, floricele pe câmpii, hai să le adunăm copii. Boci, torka, se füle, se farka, oda megyek lakni, ahol tejet kapni. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, little star, how